I'm using 4 pieces of macrame cord and a lobster keychain. Fold one of your cords in half, take the ends behind the lobster claw, pull down, and take those ends through the loop. This is a lark's head knot, and attach 3 more cords the same way. Take the left cord, hold it to the right, take the next cord over, take it over top of that cord, and then around the back and through the opening. And pull that tight. Take this cord again over that other same cord, around the back and through the opening. And pull that snug. Take the next cord, take it over top, around the back and through, and pull snug. Take it again, over top, around the back, and pull snug. You've just done 2 double half hitch knots, and now do one more. Take the right cord, hold it to the left, take the next cord over, take it over top, around the back and through the opening, and pull that up. Take it over again, around the back and through the opening, and pull that up. Do 2 more with the next 2 cords. It's important you hold the cord that you're wrapping the knots around in the direction you want the knots to go. In this case, I'm holding it on the angle. Now starting on the left, do the same thing with the next 3 cords. Starting from the right, do the same thing with the next 3 cords. And one more time on each side. I'm using a macrame board to do this. With these pins, it makes it much easier to hold your work while you're doing your knots. I've covered mine with cloth just to make it more aesthetic for the video. Now to join the 2 sides together, take this cord, hold it to the left, and take the next cord and go over, around the back and through. And one more time. So we're just closing it with another double half hitch knot. Take these left 4 cords, take the left cord over the 2 middle cords, the right cord over that cord, around the back and through the opening, and pull that up. Take the right cord over the 2 middle cords, take the left cord over that cord, around the back and through the opening. This is called the square knot. And do another one on the other side. Repeat this pattern. Do another square knot with these 4 cords. And one over here. Then make one with the 4 middle cords. Now take all the cords and with the outside cords, wrap the others with a square knot. And do one more square knot and cut the ends.